to me already.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for northern Fairfield County in southern Connecticut until 3:30 p.m. At 2:58 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado airship moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. The tornado will otherwise remain over mainly rural areas of the indicated county. In addition to the tornado,
Hey, can you put
the storm is capable
on the
of
warning thing, just put one more line.
winds. The safest place to be during a
Thank
tornado
you.
is in the basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest
You
floor.
want to demonstrate? No.
Interior hallway rooms such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado warning is in effect until 9 p.m. Saturday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey.
I didn't lie flat. I did something else.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following county, Fairfield County, Connecticut.
All right.